great show lined up for you today. Roger will be out in the fields investigating organic honey, and we've got the lovely Barbie in the studio.
Delighted to be here, Sam. I can't wait to tell you my story.
Awesome! We'll be chatting about life as a style icon, dating Ken, and all things pink. But first, it's time to cook up a storm. I'm gonna make a delicious cake that will blow your mind.
Wow!
Remember, all the recipes are available in my debut cookbook, Cooking with Sam. Available from all good retailers now. Susan, it's time to start cooking. Where is she? Cut to an ad break.
Sam, what's going on? I was in the bath.
Sue, we're live on air. Try and be professional.
Oui, chef.
No, I went to the toilet before the show started.
It means yes in French, Sammy.
I knew that. Honest. Now let's get cracking, huh? Oopsie, something went wrong.
Sam, did you prank me or something?
I sure did.
Well, I need a real egg now.
Here you go, Sue. It's the best of the best.
That's how you do it.
Hiya! Now we need to whisk it all up. Whoa! All done. Don't thank me.
Excellent work, Sam. Now, we'll add cream of tartar. It will help the eggs stiffen up.
Do you hear me, eggs? Stand to attention at once.
That did the job, Sam. Thanks. And we'll add some sugar and whisk it all up again.
Don't forget the salt, Susan. These eggs will need more ingredients.
I'll add a little bit of water. There we go. My favorite ingredient, vanilla extract.
Ouch! Here's your honey. Next time, buy it from the store.
Thanks, Raj. I really appreciate your effort. Okay, this should be enough.
Here I come with the mixer. We need this to be light and fluffy.
That's enough, Sammy. Stop.
Oh,
Let me use the spatula to finalize everything.
go on. I will bring the rest of the ingredients.
I'm totally ready for the flour. Haha!
I've got it right here.
Sam, you have to be careful with the ingredients.
I'm so sorry, Sue. I guess you better do it yourself from now on.
All done. Now, I'll add a bit of baking powder. This amount should do the trick. Oof! I know, we're mixing a lot today.
Sue, I need a break. Pour me some tea, please.
There's no tea here, just the vegetable oil.
Yuck, what a misfortune.
Chef, the cake mix is almost ready. Come check it out.
Wow, it looks great, Sue. But how does it taste? Yay!
Sammy, you can't eat the raw cake batter.
Technically, I just did.
Well, don't do that again. We need to put it into cake tin. Very well. Now I'm going to put this in the oven.
And it won't take long. That's the beauty of television.
While the cake is cooking, we can get on with our yummy filling.
And we will make something special.
Great idea, Sammy. I've prepared the mixer.
Let's use this whipping cream then.
This will taste so good. The mixer will do all the hard work. This is easy. Excuse me.
I shouldn't have been that close to that.
Sammy, are you okay?
Am I okay? You tell me.
Snap, out of it.
Huh? Where am I? What happened?
No, Sammy, not again. It looks good. And it tastes good too, but let's add some sugar. Wow, what a great magic trick!
You're welcome, Sue.
That's more like it. Just don't tell my dentist about this, friends. That reminds me, Sammy, did you brush your teeth today?
Of course I did. Why would you even ask that? I'm insulted.
Sammy, you know what to do?
This never happens to other celebrity chefs. It's so embarrassing.
Make sure you give them a good scrub. And I need to put our cream into a piping bag. Here we go.
Talk about a Hollywood smile, huh? Wait, something smells good. It's the cake.
Careful, I will get it.
Friends, welcome back to the Cooking with Sam show.
Oh, please. Maybe we'd better call it Cooking with Sue.
No way, you're my assistant. And I have some work for you.
Watch and learn, Sammy. Watch and learn. There's something relaxing about this.
There sure is, Sue. I could get used to this.
Here comes the chocolate fondant. Carefully, like this.
Wait, Sue. You'll need this thing to even out the fondant.
Good thinking. Thank you, Chef Samuel.
I have an idea. Get ready for the good old prank.
Huh, I knew it. And not surprised at all, Sammy. So now, I better get rid of the extra fondant. The next step is to give it the right shape. This way. It already looks good, but there's still much to do. We also need to add several top layers.
I'm going to put this on Roger's chair. Surprise, surprise.
And I will add some color to our cake.
Listen to me carefully. If Roger asks, I was always here. Got it?
You can count on me. My lips are sealed.
Ooh, this is pretty. This cake is going to be legendary. Well done, assistant.
Finally, here comes the upper part. Great! We'll make it look just like a cookie.
Yay! Our cake is finally ready. Let's make some tea and taste it. Ken actually did that? Wow! He really did. He performed a whole dance routine at the beach.
I have something for you, friends.
This looks amazing. I want to taste it right now. The taste's awesome! Agreed, but I hope it's low fat. Does it matter, Barbie? Friends, subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs